Hey guys, I just wanted to share with you one of my latest ARF makeovers. This is the CMPro 72-inch span Me-109F. Now this kit's been out of production for some years now, but it's been patiently waiting for its turn and now it's ready for its makeover. I added lots of surface details like rivets as you can see in these pictures. I moved the landing gear to a more scale location and added an aftermarket spun aluminium spinner and a replacement canopy by Aeroscale. Everything was given an entire repaint after I've added all the rivets, and the exhausts and the supercharger were moved to a more scale location before the repaint. The aircraft's been painted with PPG Dulon automotive acrylic paint, weathered using various paints and artist oils, and then cleared with the 2-pack matte clear. Engine is a Stinger RCGF 26cc re-exhaust, Savoy servos, AR magnetic switch, and Spectrum AR 10360 for guidance. It's got 3D printed wheels and tyres, and she's a joy and a delight to fly. Enjoy.
Ready. Oh. Oh, that was hard to hold. Oh, really?